Doctor's note. 3 drops of lavender oil and chamomile infusion before sleep. Wintergreen to rub between the palms, behind ears. If restlessness persists, use lemon balm. Gee, Asha. Unsent letter to Esther's sister. My dearest sister, Charles is dead. Nothing happened as it was supposed to. I could not attend the burial. How I have failed my dear husband. So Ghàidhlig
Esther couldn't attend Charles's burial.
Yeah, but we should get a hint television. She did not properly bid her husband farewell and now suffers for it.
Bill.
Poor woman. That's terrible for...
Okay.
Esther never got to say farewell to Charles.
I could have made him manifest.
Now that we know why he might be back, we should go investigate the cemetery where he was found. Esther, I'm sorry to trouble you once more.
How may I help?
Has the curse brought with it
nightmares?
Yes. I've had nightmares. I suspect we all have. Charles warned that something was stalking our dreams, that it had a use for us, that we needed to fight it with all God's might. But now Charles is gone, and my nightmares have changed. In my sleep, I see my husband falling, screaming into the abyss. All hear him. None respond. He plummets on into the bottomless pit. Poor Charles.
With all that's happened, how are you bearing up?
This all feels so unreal. Just one more nightmare from which I cannot wake.
It seems so now, but that will change. I promise.
Was there something I should have done differently? Did I fail him? Did I fail Charles?
None of this is your fault.
I do not want to believe he is gone. He cannot be gone. I do not permit him to be gone.
You're in pain, and that might have brought him back. Maybe he lingers because you suffer.
We'll do what we can to ease your pain. And we'll do what we can for Charles.
We must make our way to the cemetery.
Please be careful, dear Antea.
This is Charles's. Esther, you know we can help you sort through things around the house.
I don't know that I'm ready for that. But I'll keep it in mind. What will you do for my Charles?
If he's present, we'll find him. Then we'll ask him what he wants us to do.
Must I see him too?
First, let's find out what happened. After that, we'll see.
Best get started. Time may be against us.
Sure, so... yeah, Hakolas could be Mescahuk Jay.
You be alright?
I
doubt it. But I'll do my work all the same. We came here to help Charles and help Charles we shall.
And yeah, Joe Haina Hashan.
Ask around. See what people will tell you. I'll go to the cemetery and do the same. Be careful.
Aye. You too.
Jason, the next character on your map. Okay.
I must take a moment by myself. Excuse me. This fire can't have started on its own. Not in this cold.
Sincere Paris' shop.
Be warned. I need but cry out, and help shall come in an instant.
Tell him.
Calm you,
Fair
sir.
show.
Antea Duarte, Minister Davenport's banisher.
Oh, of course. I'm so sorry. Poor Reverend Davenport. His death has shaken us all. Welcome to New Eden. I'm afraid you find us at our worst.
Can't do it.
We're banishers. There's nowhere else we'd rather be. And you are?
I, madam, am Squire Sincere Paris, travelling merchant, stuck in this cursed place and eager to be somewhere else.
The nightmares. Do you get them too?
Of course I do. Not everyone will admit it, but we all have bad dreams.
Of what do you dream?
I dream someone watches me sleep. I sometimes fancy she's present when I'm awake. She never speaks, nor moves. She seems to wish me no harm. She just stands there, watching me, waiting, taking my measure.
Does she manifest at a particular hour?
If she does, I have no way of knowing it, unable as we are in this interminable grey to tell day from night. Well, there you are. Information on the curse, as per your request. I won't even charge you for it.
Tell him Sincere.
You're leaving town?
As soon as possible. Did you arrive by sea? A ship lies at anchor in the bay. Perhaps the captain would take me and my wares to safety.
The crew refused to dock, and I suspect they'll leave on the next available tide. We rowed ourselves ashore.
Might I ask where you abandoned this rowboat of yours?
Along the coast, by a path remarkable for its angry spectres and bloody corpses. If you wish to make the sailing, I hope your wares can swim.
Tell
me about the curse, if you will.
I'll tell you this. Those who dare defy the curse are brave indeed, and, I fear, foolish.
Banishing is a job, sir. And to do it, I need detail. If you please.
A banisher must have charms. Trinkets, I mean, of protection. If you have a surplus, I'd happily relieve you of your burden.
What I need right now is information about the curse. What have you seen that might help me with my work?
I've seen famine, madness, the shadow of early death. Weather, too. So much weather.
And Chicha.
I mean, I've seen it all before, but never all once. Here, it's everything, everywhere, and all at the same time. Folks stay indoors, waiting to be told what to do. Waiting to die, really. Ghosts in the making, all of them.
Yuck.
Care to trade?
Most of my goods are already packed, but I never refuse a deal.
Leather, fur, linen, wool, neutral,
I bid you good day, Squire Paris, and thank you for your time.
A pleasure, Mistress Duarte. Do be careful.
Pani Erbse, helm, each. En geloof.
A wisp. So close to town.
Jack Line.
Where are you leading me? More of you? Nothing in my pockets.
Sparsom.
No one is safe here.
Oh, round me banishing, alias me.
Most of these
Potion.
people died fighting. Someone didn't want them here.
You're really going to read all the goed me and Taishin uit Valkyrie. Fungus. Okay, happy on here. Pàirt. Banisher, you can feel places or objects marked by ghosts. Close proximity to these bane rings. Have an orange glow. Walk around to find the source. Kirschenhaar.
I've seen more graves here than I've met settlers.
Okay, and then the bane rings are diminished. So some here. Oh,
A memory lingers here. I might be able to reveal it.
kinda. Ritual. Seashore candles.
If I mix the stones I found earlier with seashore candle, that might do it.
Channel Larak. Ghàidhlig Pàirt. Oh. This hoof fungus. Ach, Ganachgami seashore candle. Sincere. Which could lend me Mappa camping. Seashore candle. A Jan of Keel, Kvelet. Here's like a try. Oh.
I could beat you in my sleep.
Spectral dust. Like that.
Many dead in more recent years.
Okay. Banishers can perform rituals. The nature of the site determines which ritual should be performed. Performing a ritual consumes resources even if you select an incorrect ritual. To reveal the memories, you need to perform a hearkening.